Hey guys, and welcome back for another hair-related video. Today, we're going to be discussing a very interesting topic indeed. We're going to be looking at why the man bun is still so popular and why it's not going anywhere anytime soon ever. Okay? I will be covering three main reasons in this video, and I must say number 3 is certainly the most intriguing and interesting that I managed to find on the internet. I've merged some of my own thoughts in there as well, but if however you think there's more reasons as to why this hairstyle is never going out of fashion, feel free to leave your 2 cents in the comment section, okay? Because I do love seeing all of your points of view. Alright, so let's move on. So the first reason as to why I think the man bun is so popular and will pretty much never go out of fashion is because it's so simple and so easy to achieve, provided you can persevere through the awkward stage, because I mean, let's be real, that's fucked. I think everybody in this audience could tell you the same thing. No, but really, the fact that the man bun is so quick and simple to achieve once it's finally grown out was a major selling point for me when I was considering it in the beginning. I do have psycho-ass hair that does whatever the hell it wants, and the fact that there's a hairstyle that can solve that in, 2.7 seconds and still make me look presentable is a pretty good deal. Especially if you're a busy guy who does like taking pride in his appearance, but you just don't always have the time. It's definitely a winner, and it's a solid reason that guys will continue to wear this style over and over and over again.
Because I think it looks really stupid.
Yeah, is that why 165,000 people search it per month? I thought so. The second reason I believe the man bun is so popular and isn't going anywhere is because it's also dynamic. And what I mean by this is there's so many different variations and it's very hard to get bored with. Literally, it can look scruffy, it can look neat, it can look high, it can look low, it can look short, it can look halved, it can be full, and you can even wear it out depending on the vibe that you're going for. It does also work with lots of different types of fashion. It can be worn with formal wear, casual wear, sex wear, you name it, it can work. It's almost like the style that has no rules, and if you're somebody who values liberation and freedom like me, then the man bun is certainly a style worth considering for you. And moving on to reason number 3, and the most intriguing and fucked up of this whole thing, covering up baldness. Yep, that's right. Someone posted this really interesting article in the Facebook group about using a man bun to cover baldness, and I was like, what? By the way, if you haven't yet joined the Facebook group, it's Man Buns and Mains, and you can visit the link in the description box below. All you have to do is follow the prompts when you get to the website. But yeah, I was gobsmacked about this whole man buns covering up baldness. You know, I couldn't really believe that people grow a man bun just to do that. I mean, it's clever, but in all honesty, I'm all about solving problems for good, like once and for all. And with everything I've learnt about male pattern baldness in all my research this is a fucking terrible reason to have a man bun. It's literally a temporary bandage for a problem that needs surgery, if you like. You know what I mean? I've stressed this point so frequently as well about hair loss, and if you're serious about stopping it in its tracks, you need to take proper action as soon as you notice any type of balding. I did actually want to question the authenticity and the credibility of this article when I first read it, because to be honest, it looks like it's very little text on this article. They made claims that the man bun had crazy search volumes, which is true, 165,000, it's not going out of fashion, but they kind of just chucked a few pictures of guys with pattern baldness and then covering up with a man bun and then going, case in point, proven, 2 guys did it, so that just must mean it's right. Wrong. I think the article is bullshit if you ask me, but each to their own opinion, right?
Okay. You think it looks stupid?
I think it looks stupid, but what about you?
I don't think it looks stupid. I don't think it's bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like man buns in general?
Yeah.
Would you be...
I do.
Really?
Yeah.
Well guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Before I roar out of here, I just wanted to pose a question for you. What is the reason you wanted a man bun in the first place? And please do not say to cover your baldness, okay? I mean, we'll say it if it's true, but just, yeah, no. I'm really interested to read your comments. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you next week for another video, okay? Goodbye!